Hey, I'm Alex from Marcs Mobility. In this video, we're going to do a short review on the Elite Traveller 2 Platinum version. This is an upgraded over the Elite Traveller 2, the first version, with a couple different upgrades. This is going to have a magnetic charge that's going to snap in right here instead of having to line the 3-pin plugs. You're just going to put this in place, it's going to snap in, and it's going to light up red to let you know you have made the right connection. The other upgrade they did is now they had an easier adjustable tiller. So instead of having to twist the knob over here on the side, you're able to push this lever forwards, whether you use it with your foot or with your hand, to adjust the tiller towards you. Now this did increase the overall weight of the heaviest piece by 4 pounds. So when this does come apart easily in 4 pieces, the heaviest piece now is 39 pounds. This is going to have a 300-pound weight capacity with 2 different battery packs. You are able to get up to a 13-mile range with the larger battery pack. There's also going to be some different color options on this unit. So if you're looking for a really nice scooter that's a 4-wheel scooter that has easy turn technology with a 37-inch turning radius but the stability of a 4-wheel scooter, I would go ahead and take a look at the Elite Traveller 2 Platinum by Marcs Mobility.